Okay, so we're at the top of Mong, and I'm gonna show you around. So stay tuned. I'll kind of describe some of the stuff. There's the Casino Lisboa right there, and the Macau Tower in the background. That's to the north. But we'll tell you all about it as we walk around this whole little part overlooking the city from this Mong hill. Let's go check out the road. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, so here we are in Mong Hill. This is AFT. It's a Fashion Institute of Technology. They have like culinary, cooking stuff. That's all Macau to the south side. There's over there is Gia Lighthouse and Gia Hill. So it's in the behind those buildings. It's the tallest hill. This is, I don't know what this one is, maybe second or third. And then over here you can see some kind of cool buildings like those. All the balconies go that way. There's kind of a flat. It's kind of interesting. I think. Anyways, there's a Grand Lisboa right there, Macau Tower, and then we're gonna kind of just this is kind of cool. This little square thing right here too. And over here is a what used to be dog races, dog track, which is right there. But now I think they turned it into something different, so you can see some joggers running around a little bit. And I think I heard that they're going to build something else there, like kind of make it in some kind of community thing. So we're going to keep walking around the whole thing. So yeah, this is a little hill called Mong Hill. And I guess this one, if you overlook all these tall buildings, then that's China's would be on the other side, Zhuhai. And then now we're going to be kind of walking north, looking north. And then you get up here, you go through this little thing, 1887. So, okay, so that's same spot. And then over here we have some cannons, so we're going to take a look at the cannons. So these cannons, I guess they would face I guess they'd kind of, in the past they'd protect the Macau. So these would be facing, I don't know exactly how they would work, but let's take a look inside. Okay. So yeah, these cannons I guess would be going that way, which I think there's like a waterway that's on this side. There's some water in that direction somewhere. So I guess they'd probably protect it from that side, I guess. Let's keep on looking. There's another cannon there, so we got two cannons. And then I think that big pole right there is like let me just kind of check out this cannon. Okay. So I think that pole is like a weather station, so maybe they would have like, there we go. So yeah, so this cannon goes that way, and then this cannon also goes the same way. We'll explore that one too in a minute. And then that's that kind of weather thing right there. So let's kind of look at this one too. So there's two cannons. Then this one kind of goes, like if you could look through these buildings, it'd be Hong Kong would be way in the distance. It'd be in that direction. And from here you can see a bridge. There's a small little bridge, and I think that bridge goes possibly to Hong Kong or it goes to the Taipa, but that's where the bridges are that go to Hong Kong and Taipa. Taipa is the second island south of us. And these are basically just little spaces where people would come up from down below. So, okay. So I guess those are some friends that know each other, right? It's 1887. And then we're just gonna kind of, so they came up in that direction. And then now we can overlook, we're basically back at the beginning again, and then you can see some people doing like Tai Chi. There's another cannon over there. Cannon, there's like Tai Chi people, or Tai Chi, doing kind of Tai Chi in the park. Skyline is right here as well. And then now we're back, and we kind of did our little loop all the way around. That's kind of cool too, this little skyway goes like 4 ways. all those buildings all the way in the distance. Anyways, there we go, top of Mong Hill.